The results are in, y'all. Listings with A-plus enhanced brand content are increasing sales by 10% or more. Now, I love this, but the reason I don't utilize this brand registry feature is because I'm not a designer. Graphics are really not my thing, until now. Our friends at Graphic Rhythm have taken the pain out of A-plus content for non-designers like me. Creatives is a new DIY service that puts beautiful and coordinated design templates right into the hands of sellers. Even sellers like me with no design skills can create unique and captivating images and A-plus content with just a few clicks. With Creatives, Amazon sellers can leverage the Graphic Rhythm design team by using drop and drag style templates to optimize their own gallery images, A-plus content, and even things like social media posts and business cards. This is a game changer and a time saver. All of the templates are fully customizable, a breeze to use, and I produced my first A-plus content module in Creatives in less than 5 minutes. If I can use this amazing tool, anyone can. Right now, as a Mommy Income listener, you have a chance to get Creatives at a founder's price, which means my listeners can join for a low price that they can lock in for life. What? I am already hooked, and I'd love for you to check out this tool and see what you think. It's really fast and easy. To try Creatives and gain access to all their design templates, visit mommyincome.com/create. Again, to try Creatives, it's mommyincome.com/create.